Hello friends, today I have brought motivational thoughts. The greatest pleasure in life is doing what people say you cannot do. Life is like a book. If you never turn the page, you will never know what the next chapter holds. Real happiness is to remember the present. An arrow can only be shot by pulling it backward. When life is dragging you back with difficulties, it means it is going to launch you into something great. So just focus and keep aiming. The highest result of education is tolerance. Doing good for others is not a duty, it's a joy. It increases your own health and happiness. Respect is earned, honesty is appreciated, trust is gained, and loyalty is returned. To be rich is not what you have in your bank account, but what you have in your heart. Never get tired of doing little things for others. Sometimes those little things occupy the biggest part of their hearts. Optimism is a happiness magnet. If you stay positive, good things and good people will be drawn to you.